The kinetic molecular theory is the theory that all matter is made up of atoms and molecules that are always moving. These particles have kinetic energy and move around in random directions. At higher temperatures, the particles have high energy, and in low temperatures, the particles have less energy. The more energy a particle has, the faster it will move. In solids, such as ice, the particles hardly move at all and hold a regular pattern because the energy is low and particles are tightly packed. In liquids, such as water, the particles have more energy and freedom to move around. That's why liquids have the ability to flow and take the shape of any container they are put in. In gases, like steam, the particles have most energy. These particles are sparse. Gases are usually invisible to the eye, and they can be expanded and compressed at different pressures. All matter is composed of atoms and molecules that are always moving. The higher the temperature, the more the energy these particles have. And that is kinetic molecular theory. We know that there are three states of matter: solid, liquids, and gas. The way they differ from one another has all to do with particles. In terms of motion, particles in solids can only vibrate, while in liquid they can slide past each other. In gases, the particles move in a random motion, occasionally colliding with one another. These differences are due to the arrangement of particles in solids, liquids, and gases. In solids, very strong forces keeps the molecule neatly arranged in rows, touching each other. In liquid, fairly strong forces keeps the molecule close, but some gaps are present. That is why liquids have a definite volume. In gases, particles are far apart, occasionally colliding with each other due to weak forces in the structure. We know that there are three states of matter: solid, liquids, and gas. The way they differ from one another has all to do with particles. As we move from solid to gases, the motion of the particles increases. They start to move more freely from stationary vibration to random movement. The distance between particles also increases, from closely packed structure in solids to gaps between molecules in liquids to far apart spaces in gases. All of this is because the strength of molecular bonds decreases as we move from solids to gases. The strength changes from very strong to weak forces as we transition between the different states of matter.